85% of Americans favor raising taxes to avert a cut to Social Security benefits in the next decade, according to a new AARP-funded survey from the National Academy of Social Insurance. Social Security's trustees project the program's trust funds will run short in 2035, and benefit payments would be lowered by 17% unless Congress acts. Raising payroll taxes garnered more support than reducing benefits, the other common solution for strengthening Social Security's finances. Knee replacement surgery is a common procedure for older adults with arthritis, and knowing what to expect can help recovery. The procedure involves installing plastic and metal implants in parts of the knee to replicate cartilage that has withered away. You will need to use assistive devices, such as a walker or a cane, for a few weeks. Pain after the surgery can usually be treated with over-the-counter pain relievers. That's your AARP Minute.